can you write a fraction as a decimal? Think about this question during the lesson. A fraction such as 3/10 or 9/100 can be shown by a model. How many columns are shaded in the first model?
3.
3 columns are shaded. How many boxes are shaded in the second model?
9.
9 boxes are shaded in. What is the difference between the models used to show tenths and hundredths? The tenths model has a square divided into 10 strips. The hundredths model has a square divided into 100 small squares. What is the word name for 3/10? The word name for 3/10 is 3/10.
So it's written out in word form.
What is another way to show 3/10? You can
As a
use a place
decimal.
value chart to show 3/10. What is the word name for 9/100?
Class?
900?
Oh,
I
yes.
think it's
The word name for 9/100 is 900.
no way.
9/100
is.
can be shown
How
on
do
a
you
place
know that?
value chart.
That's so hard to remember.
Which fraction is greater, 3/10 or 9/100?
Which one is greater, Macy?
Maybe.
Shh, guys, hey, it's time to settle down. Macy, which one is greater, 3/10 or 9/100? Take a look. Here's 3/10. Here's 9/100. Which one is greater, Macy?
900?
No. Macy, look. 3/10 has more boxes shaded in, do they not? So 3/10 is greater than 9/100. Also, with 3/10, that means that you're getting out of 10, you're getting 3 of them. 9/100 means out of 100, you're getting 9. Which is better? 3/10. Yes.
Isn't 900 equivalent fraction to 3/10?
No.
Okay. That was.
No. To be equivalent, you would have to be able to divide the top and bottom by 3. If you divide the top and bottom by 3, you do get 9 divided by 3 is 3. 100 divided by 3 is not 10.
Oh, okay.
The fraction 3/10 is greater. How would you write the fraction 71/100 as a decimal?
Oh, sorry. How would, how would you write 71/100 as a decimal, Liz? Yes, 0.71. This is where you need to know place value after that decimal point, which is where some of you get confused. All right? So let's 38, number 1. Write each decimal as a fraction and each fraction as a decimal. So if we have this decimal, how do you say that number, Alex?
110.
So then we are just going to write that 1/10. 1/10. If you have something like this, a mixed number. I'm making this up now. Okay. How do you say this mixed number, Hadley?
3 and 400.
So I need to make a decimal that says that 3 is my whole number in the front. And is always my decimal point. My decimal point always says and. 3 and 4/100. Tenths, hundredths. 4 is going to go in the hundredths. So what's going to go right here, Abby? A 0. 3 and 4/100. If they ask for it in word form, I'm going to literally write it out in words. 3 and 4/100. Now, let me show you something that people do all the time on tests, and I have to mark it wrong. 3 and 4/100. This fraction and this decimal is not the same as 3 and 4/100. If you have it written as this, 3 and 4/100, It is wrong. Hundredths. Everything after the decimal point, everything to the right of your decimal point is always with a THS. So this here is not 3 and 1/10. It is 3 and 1/10. TH. Well, this is only 1, so it's only not going to get an S. If it's more than 1, then it'll get an S.
Okay.
Then THS.
They're not special.
All right? So just make sure whenever you're writing it out in word form that it has TH at the end or THS. Those are two totally different things. All right? We're going to stop notes there.